The weather is changing.
You are right. It was calm this morning. Now it feels like a storm.
Autumn weather is very unpredictable. One minute it is sunny, the next it is windy.
It is hard to choose the right clothes. My cardigan is not enough for this wind.
My trench coat is good for the wind, but it is not very warm.
Look at the dark clouds over there. They are moving very fast.
That means rain is coming soon. The air feels very damp now.
I hope I can get home quickly. I do not like the wet streets.
Do you live far from here? The bus stop is very close.
I live 10 minutes away on foot. Walking is usually faster than the bus.
That is true, but not in the rain. I always carry an umbrella.
That is very smart, Adrian. I often forget mine at home.
I checked the weather report this morning. It said there is a chance of rain.
I should check my phone more often. I usually just look out the window.
Sometimes the window lies to us. The sun can be very deceptive.
That is funny. The sun is a little liar today.
Exactly. It looks bright but feels cold. We need a hot coffee.
That sounds like a wonderful idea. Hot drinks are the best in autumn.
My favorite is hot chocolate. It makes me feel very cozy.
I prefer green tea with honey. It is healthy and smells like spring.
Tea is good, but I need coffee. I have a long workday.
What is your job, Adrian? You look like an architect.
I am an architect. I spend a lot of time in my office.
That is very interesting. I am a teacher and I work with children.
That's a busy job. I admire your patience, Lily.
Oh, wait. I felt a raindrop on my nose.
Here it comes. Let me open my umbrella.
Stay close to me, Lily. This umbrella is big enough for two.
Thank you so much, Adrian. You are very kind.
The rain is very cold and sharp. It is good we have cover.
Look at the people running. Everyone is surprised by this rain.
It is raining very hard now. The water is everywhere.
I can hear the rain on the umbrella. It is a very relaxing sound.
I like listening to the rain too. It is perfect for reading a book.
I love reading classic novels. Do you like books, Adrian?
I prefer science fiction and history. I like to learn about the past.
Books are the best friends in bad weather. They make us happy.
They really do. Look at that big puddle over there.
Someone will get very wet feet. I am glad I have my boots.
Your boots look very waterproof. My shoes are made of leather.
Leather shoes are not good for water. You must be careful.
I will walk slowly. The sidewalk is very slippery now.
The rain makes the city look gray. Everything is dark now.
I think it looks beautiful. The lights reflect in the water.
That is true. It is very poetic. The city is clean and fresh now.
The dust is finally gone. The air smells like wet earth.
I like that smell very much. It reminds me of a garden.
Nature is powerful, even in the city. We are small under the sky.
That is a very deep thought. You are a philosopher, Adrian.
Maybe just a little. The rain makes me think.
The rain is slowing down now. The sky is a little lighter.
I see some yellow light. The sun is trying to return.
I hope the sun wins the battle. I want a bright sunset.
A sunset after rain is the best. The colors are very orange.
Let's wait 2 more minutes here. The trees are still dripping.
Good idea. The ground is very wet. We are safe under the roof.
I am happy we are dry. Thank you again, Adrian. This bus stop is a good shelter. We are completely dry here.
Yes, the roof is very wide. We are very lucky.
I can see mist on the ground. It looks very mysterious.
It is very cool. The warm ground meets the cold water.
You know a lot about nature. I am learning from you.
I'm happy to share knowledge. It is good to learn together.
I agree. That is why I teach. Every day is a new lesson.
What subject do you teach, Lily? Is it English?
I teach English and also art. Children love to draw.
That is a creative job. Art is a universal language.
It really is. Children show feelings with colors.
That is beautiful. You are a caring teacher.
Thank you, Adrian. Look, the rain has stopped.
The clouds are breaking apart. I see the blue sky.
It is like a small window. The sun is very strong.
The wind is clearing the air. It is colder now.
Yes, I can feel the chill. Autumn is definitely here.
Winter is not far away. I need a thicker coat.
I love winter and the snow. Everything is white and peaceful.
Snow is nice, but ice is dangerous. I prefer the spring.
Spring is lovely because of flowers, but autumn has the best colors.
That is true. The leaves are gold. The park is beautiful.
I want to walk there tomorrow. I hope it is sunny.
The forecast says tomorrow is clear. You can take photos.
I will bring my camera. I love the old trees.
I might go there to draw. The old bridge is great.
That is a nice Saturday plan. We are both artistic.
It seems we're similar. I'm glad it rained.
Me too. It was a surprise. Meeting a friend is good.
I agree completely. Let's walk now. Look at the sun now. It is very bright.
It is a big change. The sky is bright blue.
The air is so fresh. I love the city after rain.
Everything is clean and sparkling. It feels like a new day.
Look at the wet pavement. It looks like a mirror.
The birds are singing again. They are very happy.
They are looking for worms. Nature is busy now.
My cardigan is almost dry. The sun is very warm.
It feels nice on my back. I'm not cold anymore.
Let's walk to the main square. The light there is beautiful.
Great idea. The buildings are classic. They look noble.
You see the world like an architect. You see the beauty.
It is my passion. I love light and shadow.
I like the blue sky in the windows. It feels very open.
There are no dark clouds now. The rain is finished.
That is good news for me. I want to visit the library.
The library is a warm place. It is perfect for Friday.
I need storybooks for my class. Children love animals.
You're a dedicated teacher, Lily. You work hard.
I want them to love learning. It is my goal.
That is a noble goal. Education is important.
Wow, Adrian, look over there. Do you see the light?
I see colors in the mist. It is a rainbow.
It is very clear now. I see all 7 colors.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. It is perfect.
It is so beautiful. I want a picture.
Take your time, Lily. The rainbow will stay.
Perfect. I will show my students.
They will be very excited. It is natural magic.
I feel very lucky. The weather is a gift.
The rainbow is very big. It is like a bridge.
In stories, it is a bridge to magic. It is poetic.
There is a story about gold at the end, but colors are better.
I agree. Beauty is better than money. This is a treasure.
You say beautiful things, Adrian. You are very gentle.
Thank you, Lily. I see the good in life.
The rainbow is fading now. The colors are pale.
It is like a dream ending, but we have the memory.
I'm glad we saw it together. It is better than alone.
I feel the same, Lily. Good things are for sharing.
The sky is clear now. There are no clouds.
It is a perfect evening. The temperature is good.
I see the first stars. The moon is appearing too.
It is a very thin moon. It looks like silver.
You know the night sky well. Do you like astronomy?
Yes, I have a telescope. I look at the planets.
That is so cool. I only know the Great Bear.
That is a good start. It is a map in the sky.
I want to learn about stars. They are mysterious.
I can show you one day. Saturn is amazing.
Really? I would love that.
It makes you realize the universe is big. We are small.
We talked about rain, buildings, and stars. Many topics.
Yes, it was a smart conversation.
It was better than just hello. We went deeper.
That is because you were interesting, Lily.
Thank you, Adrian. You are very well spoken, too.
The sun is gone now. The light is golden.
I must walk to the library. It closes soon.
I will walk with you. My office is that way.
The street is very peaceful now. Everyone is going home.
It is my favorite time. The city is quiet.
Thank you for the umbrella. You saved my hair.
It was my pleasure. I helped a friend.
I am glad I forgot my umbrella. We talked because of it.
Everything happens for a reason. Rain brought a conversation.
I believe that too. It was a good mistake.
Here is the library. It is very grand.
It is my favorite building. The columns are tall.
It is a good design. It is strong and elegant.
I hope I find my books. Sometimes they are gone.
Good luck with your search. I'm sure you will find them.
Thank you, Adrian. It was a wonderful afternoon.
I enjoyed it too. You made my day bright.
Have a good evening at work. Do not work late.
I will finish early. I want to see the stars.
Enjoy your telescope. I will look at the moon.
That is sweet. I will think of our rainbow.
Goodbye, Adrian. It was a pleasure.
Goodbye, Lily. See you tomorrow in the park.
I will be there at noon. See you then.
I will bring my sketchbook. See you.
Take care and stay warm. The night is chilly.
You too, Lily. Enjoy your stories.
I am going inside now. It is warm there.
Have a great evening. See you.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
The weather is perfect now. What a beautiful day.